think foiling is really changing the whole sailing world for the greater good. I mean, we're seeing some insane new speeds coming, and lots of different skills. I mean, the core skills are still there, the tactics within the race, but it's all at mega new speeds. I'm so happy to be here in Sardinia. I mean, even though it's a little bit chilly, the sun is shining. We're wing foiling out here in the Bay of Cagliari. It's beautiful conditions. I absolutely love wing foiling, so you know, I'm just mega happy to be here, you know.